So we bought a house. I filmed this video once already, but my mic wasn't plugged in all the way, so here we go again. So the question you're probably asking is, why did we break our lease? Why are we not still living in our apartment in downtown Greenville? The answer is pretty simple. It was so expensive. Oh my God. We were paying about $2,000 every month for our rent, utilities, all that included and added up. So we did the math, figured out that we could live cheaper with a mortgage. So here we go, being adults and stuff, we bought a house. Of course, there were a few bumps along the way. Our washer broke and flooded the ceiling. So we moved into the house yesterday, and I had to come back to the apartment because we forgot all of our spices. Everything in this apartment is empty except for our freaking spice cabinet. I also slammed my thumb into our realtor's car door while we were house hunting, so love that. So we closed on September 6th. Guess where we're going? Guess where we're going?
Where are we going?
We're going to sign for the house.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I don't know who let us be house owners, but that was a mistake.
And moved in on September 7th. We hired a moving company, which was one of the best decisions we have ever made. When we initially moved here from Ohio, we U-hauled it and we brought everything ourselves, packed everything ourselves, and moved everything ourselves. But for the move here, we hired a company to move everything for us, which was a breeze, and I would do it again in a heartbeat. So we've been here couple weeks now and it's been fabulous. So we're about 30 minutes from downtown Greenville. Still not a bad drive. We can go down there whenever we want. Zach consistently goes down there for work. The weekend we moved in, we had to wipe down everything, vacuum everything, dust everything, which was some work. It was a lot of work, but it's clean, it's perfect, and we love it now. No, do this all the way. Come on. So I know I just did an apartment tour like 3 months ago, but here we go. Here is our house tour. So the house itself is beautiful. It was built maybe 10 years ago, something like that. It's super pretty. We do want to paint the outside of it maybe a dark blue, but we'll see. We've got a couple house remodel things in the works, so we will see what happens with that. So you walk in, on your right is the dining room. We don't have a kitchen table right now, but we did buy one that was too big for the apartment, obviously. So it's in storage in my family's house in Ohio. We will get it here sometime at some point, maybe Thanksgiving time. We'll bring it back, I'm not sure. So it's just kind of sitting there right now. I do want to repaint. I'm not a fan of that color, but we got a couple signs up. I want to get some pictures framed and hung up there, kind of make it like our little family center. So the next room is the kitchen, which I love very much. The countertops are really pretty. The cabinets are really dark and pretty. We have plenty of cabinet space and drawer space. In fact, there's a handful of them that are empty right now because we just don't have stuff to fill them right now. I'm sure we will in the next couple of years. The fridge was from Lowe's. Funny story about that. So Zach and I went to Home Depot. We bought our patio furniture, the lawnmower, and grill from there. Everything is perfect. We love them so far. We also bought a fridge and washer dryer during their Labor Day sale. That was supposed to get here the 7th, the day that we moved in, and their delivery company called us and said we weren't getting it that day. We might get it on Monday, we might get it on Friday. So we would have been without a fridge for a few days. So Zach called them, was a little upset, and got them to deliver us a holder replacement fridge for a few days. So we used that, thankfully, so that our food didn't spoil while it was just chilling in a cooler, because the old homeowners took their fridge with them, obviously. So we didn't have a fridge. So we canceled our order for the washer dryer and refrigerator. I ended up going to Lowe's, bought one off the floor because their delivery was gonna be another week. And that meant we had to install it all ourselves, which led to the washer hose coming off and flooding our bedroom ceiling because the laundry room's upstairs and the master's on the main, so tell me why that makes any sense. So we had to rent a truck and bring everything in ourselves, hook it up ourselves, and we did the best that we could, so home ownership. So anyway, kitchen. At some point, we want to knock out this wall by the fridge and our bar so that we can have a giant island there. But that's down the line. We'll see if we end up doing that. We've got a little closet that just has Scout's food and our cleaning stuff. Next room is a little bathroom on the main floor, which we got these signs from Hobby Lobby. They're super cute. Any signs that you see that weren't in the apartment are probably from Hobby Lobby because they had a 50% off home decor sale, and we definitely took advantage of that. The living room is my favorite room in the entire house. All of our furniture flows together. Our TV looks beautiful above this fireplace. The TV stands that we got from Walmart, we stacked on top of each other, and they're acting as a board game and DVD holder and a location for our gaming consoles and the games and the controllers. But all the furniture fits in one room now. It's crazy. We thought all the furniture was gonna fit in our living room at the apartment, and it didn't. So we're thrilled that everything fits in here. Plenty of sitting space, it flows all together. Somehow we got all the blues to match, so we love it. Hang out there multiple hours a day, every day. The master is huge. We have so much space in there. We've got our king size bed in there, the TV and little TV stand that used to be in the living room at the apartment. But with those new ones, we moved it into the master. My dresser is against the wall, but Zach's is in the master closet, which we'll get to in just a minute. But obviously, the master is really good size. We love it.
Alexa, turn on the lamp.
The master bathroom is also really good size. We've got a little toilet room, nice bathtub, and really nice shower. The water gets so hot here. It is so nice. Double sinks, which is awesome, and plenty of closet space and drawer space. So love the bathroom. It's awesome. My other favorite part of the master is the closet because oh my god, look at this closet. It's huge. There's literally too much space. We don't have enough clothes to fill this space, and not everything's crammed in together, and clothes aren't getting wrinkly, and you can sort them, and oh my gosh, I'm in love. It's awesome. Then we have the backyard. So we've got a screened-in porch, and we have this patio furniture that was originally priced at $700 and we got for $250 because of their end of the summer sale. So thank you, Home Depot, you did something right. That is being used as our kitchen table right now because we currently do not have one. So we also use it for board games. We've got a little light and a fan above us. Drinking, just hanging out, watching Scout run around the yard. You go down to the next level of our deck and there's a little grilling area with a couple lawn chairs that we've got set up. So I can watch Zach grill or I can watch Scout be a lunatic in the backyard. So it's a really nice setup. There's plenty of space for us to do our thing and hang out and host, and Scout has plenty of space to run around. So upstairs is kind of not being used a ton right now. So the office looks very similar to how it looked at the apartment because obviously it's all the same stuff. We've got things a little moved around, but for the most part, everything's the same. Except for this sign up here. It says, "Adventure is in my soul." The closet in our office is kind of used for my gear right now. Haven't organized that yet. I've got the closets downstairs organized, but I haven't done this closet yet. The first room on the right is being used as like our storage / workout room. So we've got all of our totes that we use to move stuck in this closet. We're gonna have like our little holiday boxes that are either gonna be in this room or they might be upstairs in the attic. We haven't checked that out yet, to be honest, so hopefully there's no giant spiders or dead bodies. The next room is going to be our spare bedroom. So at the end of the month, after we've got all of our bills paid, we are going to get a bed frame, mattress, dresser, comforter set, all that jazz, so people can have a place to stay when they come visit us. We might Airbnb it, we'll see what happens. And we've also got a bathroom up here, which is really nice size. There's plenty of space for storage and things like that. It's currently being used as part of our laundry room because we just hang our clothes in the shower because the laundry room is right next door. Upstairs, even though the master's on the main floor. That's my only like thing with this house. Everything else is perfect. So we decided to buy this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house because we were thinking about the future. Zach and I both want kids, so hopefully that's in the cards for us. We have space for it whenever that happens. Obviously, we want to get married first. We want to make it all official. But obviously years down the road. But we wanted to think about that. We wanted to have a house, build equity. We love the area. We saw ourselves staying here for at least another couple years. And so we made this big life decision and here we are and we're super happy and everything's going really well. So in case you didn't know, we adopted a puppy from the Humane Society a few months ago. Her name is Scout. We call her Scout Pout. And she is currently 5 months old. She likes ice cubes, sticks, running around, jumping on the couches, cuddling, and being walked on her leash. She hates baths, flies, and the spray bottle. She is the cutest little dog I've ever seen in my life, and we love her very much. And she has an Instagram, so please go follow her. So this is Scout. Isn't she the cutest? She also likes hugs. Her ears flap sometimes too. Hi, baby. Hello. Oh. Ow. Okay. Okay. You're licking my glasses. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Hi, sweetie. Thank you guys. Ow, stop. Thank you guys for watching the house tour video. We will see you next time. Say bye, Scout. Bye-bye. Bye.